Welcome back. Now, if you're going to be selling physical products and you're going to be shipping your goods, you're going to need to set up shipping. You're going to click this button that says Set Up Shipping. Now, some of the information that you specify will be determined by where you live in the world. You're going to start by clicking Manage Rates. And what you're going to be able to do is to go in and adjust the price that your customer will be charged automatically when they make a purchase. So for example, you can go into this particular rate. You can click Edit the Rate. You can adjust the speed. You can adjust the price. You can set conditions based on item weight or based on order price. Once you've edited the rate, you can then click Done. And you can individualize what you are going to be offering in terms of speed. And you'll see that here in this area. Once you've done that, you can then click Done. You can also adjust your rates for the rest of the world depending on where you live in the world. And you will use the dialog to make any adjustments to your shipping process. Once you make the adjustments, you can then click Done. You'll want to save your page. If you need to set up custom shipping rates, you can do here in this area by setting up a specific profile. And you'll be setting this up for specific products that you will be selling. In order to activate this part of the profile, you will need to add specific products. We're not at that point in the process, so we're going to go back to the main shipping menu. And once you activate shipping, Shopify will put in motion backup shipping rates and make it active. If you want to deactivate your backup shipping rates, you can click this link. In some cases, you may be willing to deliver your products and services to individuals in your local area. And to do that, you're going to click this area that says Doesn't Offer Delivery. And if you're willing to deliver the item, you can then click this dialog that says that you offer local delivery. You'll then need to set a delivery area, and you can do it based on zip codes or delivery radius. You can set minimum order pricing and then a delivery price for local delivery. Once you've made your changes to this area, you can then click Save. You can allow customers to come to your location and pick up their item. To do that, you're going to click this link that says Doesn't Offer Pickup. You're going to click the dialog that says This location offers local pickup. You're going to give a standard expected pickup time. And any verbiage that you want your customer to read about the pickup, you want to write it in here. Once you have made the changes, you can then click Save. If you have a standard package, you can enter it so that your customer will make an accurate assessment about what they will be paying for shipping. You can add the package as a carrier package or as a custom package. Once you've chosen, you can add the package. And your saved package will be ready at checkout for the individuals when they make a purchase, and they'll be able to make an assessment about how much they will be paying. You can purchase shipping labels, and you can do that in this area. You can check the rates, and you can print test labels. You can customize your packing slip, and you can do that by clicking this Edit link. Now, in order to edit this, you are going to need to know HTML and CSS. You can also use what are called liquid variables to make changes. Carrier accounts require an upgraded plan, so for now we're going to leave this at its current setting. And it's here where you can add in a custom fulfillment service. And when you add in that custom service, you're going to need to write the name of the service and then the email address where they can be reached. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.